Hi family, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you two of my kids favorite breakfast recipe. Firstly is quesadillas. Now this is so easy and I love the fact that this recipe can be put together in less than 5 minutes. Like guys, I said it, and these ingredients are very easy. Most of the times you have them available already. So guys, let's start preparing this. In 1 egg, so I have 1 egg I beat here. I'm just going to be adding in some grinded pepper, some pepper flakes, and then I'm going to be adding in a little bit of salt. Next, I'll move on to whisk this properly. You want this to be well combined, so I'll just do well to give this a really nice mix. When I'm done, I'm going to set it aside. Now in a pan, I'll be drizzling in some vegetable oil, and then I'm just going to be allowing this heat up a bit. Then I'll be sauteing my onions. Guys, as usual, a full list of all the ingredients I use for this recipe will be in the description box, so you can do well to check it out. Next, I'll be adding in my veggies. So I just have some diced red and yellow bell pepper, and then I cut up 1 tomato too. So I'll just be sauteing this for a bit. I'll add in a bit of salt because you don't want your vegetables to be bland, you want them to have taste. So I'll just allow this stir fry, and then I'm going to take this off the fire. Guys, if you're new to our channel, if this is your first time on Ali vs Food, please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, so when we upload videos like this you'll get to see it. So now I drizzled in a bit more oil in the pan, and then I'm going to be adding in my egg. So I'm using just 1 egg, so I really want to make sure this goes around my pan. Now if you have a smaller pan you can, but then note this, you want a pan that your tortilla wrap can be placed on. So that's why I chose this pan. You get to understand what I'm trying to say in a bit. So you just want to make sure that your egg goes round, and then you are going to sprinkle in some shredded mozzarella cheese. So I usually have this handy. You can actually use mozzarella cheese or any cheese you have available, and then this is the tortilla wrap. So guys, you understand what I'm saying? You want to make sure you're using a pan that you can place the wrap on flatly like this. So if it's a smaller pan, it might be a bit more difficult. So once this has heated up for a bit, I will just proceed to flip it. So guys, if you need help flipping, please make sure you use your hands to assist yourself so that you have a nice flip. So we'll flip this, just allow the other part heat up a bit, and on this side we'll be adding in our veggies. So I'll just be adding this in, and then you just want to arrange this nicely on one side of the pan. Guys, have you had quesadillas before? Let me know. I would like to know, have you had this recipe before? What are your thoughts? Just let us know in the comment section. So as you can see, I sprinkled more cheese on this side, and then I'm just going to flip it into half. I'm going to allow the cheese melt up a bit, and then I'm going to flip the other side. Make sure the 2 sides of our quesadillas is well heated up, and guys, breakfast is ready. Like I told you, 5 minutes, right? No jokes, this is going to be ready in 5 minutes. So it's ready. You can take it off the fire, and you can take this with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee. Your kids can take this with their beverage before going to school, and that's just a really healthy way to start off their day, because this is packed with all the vegetables they need. And what a lovely way to incorporate vegetables into their meals. So this is the first recipe I'll be sharing with you, and as usual, please let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Now the second recipe I'll be sharing with you is French toast. So to 1 egg, I'll be adding in some liquid milk. Next, I'll add in some vanilla, I'll add in a bit of cinnamon and then some sugar. I'll just give this a really nice mix so everything is well combined, and as usual a full list of all the ingredients are in the description box, so you can do well to check it out. If you've been following up on our channel, you know this is definitely one of my family favorite breakfast recipe. And why not? Like, who doesn't like French toast? Especially if you have stale bread you are not using anymore. This is a really nice way to just, bring it alive again. So in a pan, I'm just going to be adding in some butter. Allow this heat up a bit, and you want to spread this around the pan, and then you'll be dipping in your bread slice in your mixture. You allow this soak in a bit so you can get in all that liquid, and then you proceed to place this on your heated pan. Now you want to do this on medium low heat because you do not want your bread to burn. So you don't want your bread to burn. Just do this on medium low heat. Once you see it's ready, you're seeing all those bubbles and all forming, you can do well to flip the other side. Yeah, nice as it is. So you do well, flip the other side, allow this heat up a bit, and then guys, French toast is ready. Like 5 minutes, I told you. So I'll be doing 2 more sets, so I'm sure you guys really get the drift. So I'm going to be adding in a bit of butter to the pan. Allow this heat up a bit. I'm going to be spreading this around the pan, and then I'll be dipping in my bread slice in the mixture. Allow this soak in a bit, but not too much because you don't want your bread to become soggy. So you just place this on the pan, allow it heat up. This video is being fast forwarded, so you really want to allow it brown and cook a bit. Then you flip on to the other side. Your bread should look like this when it's properly cooked, and then you can set aside. Lastly, one more time, we'll go over the same process of the oil in the pan, soaking in the bread in the mixture, and then allow to cook on both sides. Guys, let me know, what do you think about these 2 breakfast recipe? Which of these 2 do you prefer? Which of these 2 are you going to be trying out? And if you've watched till now and you have not subscribed, like, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, support the ministry. Do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload videos you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. Thank you for all your support, all your nice comments. And you can do well to support us by using the super thanks button. Guys, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.